Want to take a break from Facebook without deleting your account? Here's how to temporarily deactivate it in just a few steps. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. In the bottom right corner, tap the menu icon, 3 lines. Once the menu opens, tap the settings icon at the top right corner. Next, you'll see Account Center. Tap on See More to open it. Here, select Personal Details. Then tap Account Ownership and Control. Now, choose Deactivation or Deletion. Select your Facebook account and you'll get 2 options: Deactivate Account or Delete Account. Choose Deactivate Account. Facebook will then ask for your password. Enter it and tap Continue. Finally, follow the on-screen steps to confirm your deactivation. And that's it. Your Facebook account is now temporarily deactivated. You can reactivate it anytime by simply logging back in. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tutorials.